pear. Pear, pear. Yay!
O M E G R A N A T E Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit with lots of small seeds. Seeds are red in color, and almost red is its hard cover. It tastes juicy, sweet and tangy, grows on small trees, gives us lots of energy. M-M-A-N-G-O Mango. Yummy, bright, yellow-colored fruit. Juicy and pulpy from inside. Large, big seed within. Smooth, thin cover on the outside. Never eat the seed, but never leave the pulp. Cut it, squeeze it, lick it or bite. It melts in your mouth. This sweet and tangy fruit. It's such a delight.
O-M-A-N-G-O, yummy, it's mango.